And beneath that bridge, hell waits, snapping, blazing, roaring. But for those who believed, who tried, who cried to Allah in secret, who repented sincerely, Allah will guide their feet. Allah will protect their hearts. Allah will bring them safely across. And when the believers finally reach paradise, the gates will open. The fragrance will overwhelm them. The angels will greet them saying, "Peace be upon you. You have done well, enter it forever." And the greatest joy of all is not the palaces, not the rivers, not the gardens, but seeing the face of Allah, the most merciful. The moment that makes every hardship of the world worth it. My dear friend, the day of judgment is not meant to terrify us. It is meant to wake us, to remind us that life is short and the hereafter is forever. So turn to Allah, repent sincerely, pray with a soft heart, do good even if it feels small, and never forget. Allah is more merciful than we can ever imagine, and He never lets a tear go unnoticed.